Say hi, Mom. My mom ain't never gonna believe that one. But then again, Mom's been dead for 20 years.
I'm gonna put that one into my silk files.
Nah. Alright, hold on. Zoom, buddy, zoom. That's what you guys missed while me and Ware was on leave, fuckers. I like your hat. That shit is dope. But fuck you then, don't speak. Watch out.
I'm pretty sure they don't understand what you're saying.
Nope, I know they do. She was nice enough to say peace to me. Shit, fuck it. Ooh, looky what I found. Nothing really, but it just looked interesting. No? Holy shit, look at that tooth over there. Sit.